Silicone kitchenware products are becoming more and more popular in daily life. So what are the FDA food grade testing contents of silicone products? Today I will share it with you. First of all, silicone products are widely used. In addition to kitchenware, they also include silicone baby products, silicone daily necessities, silicone tableware, silicone baking molds, sealing mats, silicone pet products, etc. When these products come into contact with food, they must be safe and non-toxic, and will not cause harm to human health. Therefore, FDA food grade testing is very important. Secondly, the testing content of silicone products mainly includes chemical substance migration tests, heavy metal content tests, microbial content tests, etc. for material compliance testing to ensure that these materials and colorants or additives are approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for food contact. These tests ensure that silicone products will not release or transfer harmful substances and will not affect the quality and safety of food. Furthermore, their need evaluates the stability and durability of silicone materials under various conditions, including exposure to high temperatures, in cryogenics and detergents. Besides, need to assess label compliance, if providing accurate information about the materials used, instructions for proper use and care, and any warnings, etc. Finally, it is important to note that FDA food grade testing is a long-term process that requires regular testing and monitoring to ensure the quality and safety of silicone products. At the same time, consumers also need to choose regular brands and products when purchasing silicone kitchenware products to ensure that the products comply with FDA food grade standards. The above is the sharing of the FDA food grade testing content of silicone kitchenware products. I hope it will be helpful to everyone. Thanks.